Peter, fantastic demonstration. It's going 16 times per second. Yeah, what's taking place? What are you demonstrating?
Yeah, we demonstrate here. We can go very fast and exactly in these units. So we use these units for some assembly stations or stamping, bending parts, and for connectors. Every things you need very exactly to placement.
So I'm thinking electrical industry, maybe the automotive industry.
Yes, they are our most customers from electric industry or automotive. Yeah.
That's super impressive. Say, to have that little clearance and doing it 16 times a second rather, that's very impressive.
Yeah, we have. You can only do this if you have the system. It's cooled and special measurements, and we use our own control because it's a regulation system, and this you need. But so it runs and 24 hours a day completely.
Very impressive. Thank you very much.
Thank you.